Have you ever noticed how just a small sprinkle of the right natural mix can make a tired plant seem ready to grow again? It almost feels like nature is quietly waking it up from beneath the soil. Faded leaves slowly regain their color, weak stems become firmer, and fresh new growth begins to appear. Today I'll show you a simple homemade plant booster using two common natural ingredients and one powerful secret ingredient that makes the mix even more effective. Don't miss the final step. First, pour 1 liter of water into a container. Add 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric helps support healthier soil, encourages stronger root development, and creates a cleaner environment around the roots. Stir well until it is completely dissolved, so its natural benefits spread evenly throughout the water. Now add 1 spoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps discourage harmful fungi, and when combined with turmeric, the two work together to provide even better support for healthier roots and stronger plant growth. Stir well again so both ingredients blend perfectly. Now it's time for the secret ingredient. Add 2 spoons of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds improve soil structure, add valuable organic matter, and slowly release nutrients that encourage greener leaves and healthier growth. Stir one final time until everything is thoroughly mixed. Pour this mixture directly into the soil around your plants. As it soaks into the root zone, it helps improve nutrient availability, supports stronger roots, and encourages healthy new growth. Use this natural fertilizer once every 2 weeks for the best results. Sometimes plants don't need more fertilizer, they simply need the right natural support. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!